Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. My name is Gagandeep Kaur. I am an English teacher at Akal Academy Rajya. So I welcome you all to our today's English class. So before starting today's class, I want to show you a video. Firstly, have a look. In the video, what have you seen? Yes, you have seen rising sea levels, damaging wildfires, intense heat waves, and natural calamities. So, do you know what is the reason behind all these? Yes, you are absolutely right. So, the reason behind all these is global warming. So, in today's class, we'll discuss the definition, causes, effects, and solutions for the same. So, let's begin today's class. Global warming is the single biggest threat to life on Earth today. So, what is global warming? Global warming is the increase of Earth's average surface temperature due to effect of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, emissions from burning fossil fuels, or from deforestation, which trap heat that would otherwise escape from Earth. Carbon dioxide is the primary driver of global warming. Carbon dioxide absorbs heat reflected from the Earth's surface, heat that would otherwise pass freely into space. The carbon dioxide then releases that heat, warming the Earth's atmosphere. So, this quality of carbon dioxide also makes Earth habitable for all life forms. However, as carbon dioxide levels rise beyond normal, the pace of warming also accelerates. Presence of carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere is almost entirely the result of human activity. When humans burn coal, oil, and gas to generate electricity or drive vehicles, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere where it traps heat. A carbon molecule that comes from fossil fuel and deforestation is lighter than those from other sources. As scientists measure the weight of carbon in the atmosphere over time, they see a clear increase in the lighter molecules from fossil fuel and deforestation sources. As you can see in this graph, scientific data reveals that carbon dioxide levels have increased every year. These levels are higher today than any point in the history of humankind. The Earth's climate has changed in the past due to natural causes too. Volcanic activity, changes in sun's intensity, fluctuations in Earth's orbit, and other natural factors have increased temperatures in the past. However, none of these can account for the current rise in global temperatures. So, the menace of global warming that the world faces today is entirely man made. Humanity needs to collectively reduce its carbon footprint if we want to tackle this ever increasing threat of global warming. Global warming is already creating significant impact, and these consequences will only intensify as the planet's temperature continues to rise. So, all these were causes of global warming. So, now let's discuss the effects of global warming. Firstly, rising sea levels. So, global warming increases the rate of rise in sea levels and has led to a dramatic increase in coastal flooding risks. So, we can see this impact on many small islands like Maldives. Maldives face the risk of getting submerged in the near future. Next is damaging wildfires. Wildfires are uncontrollable fires in wildland areas. Wildfire season is getting longer as temperatures soar. Next is intense heat waves that we are also facing nowadays. Periods of dangerously hot weather is occurring more frequently than it did in the past. Globally, extremely warm nights that used to come once in 20 years now occur every 10 years. The 12 warmest years on record have all occurred since 1998. So these are responsible for more deaths annually than lightning, tornadoes, floods, and earthquakes. So the next effect is in the form of natural calamities. For most places, global warming will result in more frequent hot days and fewer cold days, with the greatest warming occurring over land. Storms, floods, and droughts have become more severe as rain patterns change. Hurricanes have increased in intensity due to the warmer ocean surface temperatures. So, global warming is already putting immense pressure on ecosystem. This change in the growing season affects the broader ecosystem. Like migrating animals have to start seeking food sources earlier. So these unnatural changes in the life cycle of animals may make many animals go extinct in the future. Endangered species face such risks more because of their decreasing or dwindling numbers. So the future does look pretty bleak if current trends of global warming persist. However, there's still time to save our planet. But how can we stop global warming? There is nothing we can do about the greenhouse gases that already released in the atmosphere, but we can curb future emissions and save future generations from the dangerous realities of global warming. So these are the few ways by which we can slow down global warming, such as reuse plastic shopping bags, recycle glass, yards, newspapers, tin cans. Try having a compost heap in your yard. Use both sides of paper. Suggest that your parents buy a fuel smart car. Plant more and more trees. Don't keep the TV, VCR, or DVD on standby. Keep lights off when you are not in the room. Consider public transportation alternatives. Insulate your home. Fill up the dishwasher before using it. Wash clothes in cold or warm, not hot water. At last, I have few questions for you. My first question is, do you switch off all electric appliances and gadgets when not in use? Do you choose energy efficient appliances? Do you only cook what you eat and not waste food? And last, do you use public transport or walk? So at last, I would like to end this video with the slogan Save Earth, Save Future. So I hope you are aware and you all will help towards the betterment of our planet. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.